Okay, so the week is over, but I cannot put down this idea. And so I had to come down to my office and put together this video. So if you hang around for the next couple minutes, I promise that this is going to be worth your time. Now, one of the hottest topics right now in the entire web design industry is this idea of a subscription design model. So basically, clients pay you a monthly recurring fee and you offer them either an allotted number of hours or unlimited design changes and updates. And this has been going super viral on Twitter and pretty much everywhere else. Now, designers love this idea of making money every single month, but the subscription model can be tricky. But recently, I've been running into a ton of designers that are making crazy amounts of money by just offering monthly maintenance packages. Now, there are a few reasons that a lot of us don't offer maintenance packages. Number one, we think that clients don't need them or don't want to pay for them. Number two, we don't even know what to include in these packages. And number three, a lot of us just haven't even thought about it. And that's how I am. I have tons of old or past web design clients that I've never even offered these types of services. And the crazy thing is, a lot of these designers that I've spoken with are literally charging like $400, $500, $600 per month for every client just for basic maintenance. And so it is a killer opportunity for you to upsell your clients and get some sort of recurring revenue after you finish their website. Now, like I mentioned, one of the hardest parts is knowing what you should include in these maintenance packages and how to package them up, how to propose them to your clients, how to get your clients to agree to them, how much to price them at, or how much to charge for them. These are all questions that I've had for a long time, and I'm sure you have as well. Now, as I've been obsessing over this concept over the last week and literally losing sleep over it, I had an idea, and I need your help to know if this is something that's going to help you and me as designers to start signing up every single one of our clients on a monthly maintenance package. So what I want to do is, with your help, I want to build a custom software solution for web designers. And what this is going to do is, once we finish our client's site and we hand it off, we are going to upsell them on a maintenance package. And what this is going to look like is, we get into our software, we are going to put in all the details of our client, and it is going to pass them a dashboard. This is going to be a custom dashboard that's going to show them every single piece of data and status reports that they need to know that their website is in a good place, because people don't want to have to think about their website every month, but most of them don't even know that there are ongoing things that need to be done in order to make sure that their website is working properly and that it is loading fast and that it isn't getting hacked and that there aren't security issues. So their dashboard is going to show them all of this. Now, on your end, you're going to be able to customize this dashboard to show them only the data that you want them to see. So there's going to be unlimited things that you can include inside this maintenance dashboard, but some of the most important ones are the security status of their website, the status of their domain and hosting and whether or not they're going to expire in the near future, their overall SEO health score, their page speed score, their responsiveness score, and a number of other things that you can watch and help with every single month in order to justify charging them a monthly maintenance fee. Now, I truly believe that with this type of software, every single one of us can generate thousands of dollars in recurring revenue every single month just by simply putting a focus and a priority on it. So like I mentioned before, this isn't even built yet. We have got a design laid out for what this is going to look like, but I have no clue if it's even something that you are going to want. So if you're interested in it, and if you would like to get early access to try this out, what you can do is click the link below this video in the description, or I'll put it up here in the top corner of this video. And all you have to do is go add your name and your email to the waitlist and then answer 2 simple questions. Once you do this, you are going to be on our waitlist and you will get early access to try this out and implement it into your business. So if you think this is a good idea, give this video a thumbs up, go to that link down below and join the waitlist, because we're only going to build this if we hear from you that it's something that's going to be worth it. Now, if you don't like this idea, it would also be a huge help if you would comment a thumbs down in the comments, because I'm ready to throw a ton of money and put all of my effort and focus on this product, but I want to make sure that it's something that's going to help you. So thanks again for watching this video, and we'll catch you in the next one.